Welcome back to another Autocross video. First off, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you are enjoying these videos as much as Ashley and I are making them. If you can, just make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoy the video. If you're not a subscriber and you want to see more of this kind of content or more of this car or just other builds that I have, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. So right now I'm getting ready to load the car up. So this video will come out after the fact, but the Autocross event this week is on Father's Day, so it just kind of makes me think about my dad, who I lost last year. And this car is something that me and him did a lot of work on together. We autocrossed it together for several years, and it was just a good time, and it brings back a lot of good memories. So tomorrow is going to be kind of a special day for me, I think. Hopefully everything goes well with the car. The car's been pretty flawless. I did do one small change. I changed the rear sway bar. I put a thicker one in to hopefully balance the car out a little bit. The last couple of events, it was getting a little, not doing quite what I wanted it to do. Some events it had a little bit of understeer, other events it had a little bit of oversteer, so some of that could be me as the driver inducing that. Some of it could also be the car just not doing what I thought it should be doing. Also, I'm thinking some of it could have been tires heating up. So tomorrow is supposed to be a warm day, so we're going to make sure that we bring some water with us to spray the tires down to try to keep the temperatures in check. I've heard that the Falcons, they don't like too much heat. They are good autocross and track tires, but you need to keep the temperatures kind of in check. So we're going to bring some water with us to spray the tires down to try to keep those temperatures down after a few runs where we get them up to temperature. Let me start up the car and let's do a cold start on her. As you see, I still have to reach underneath the dash. Haven't got around to doing anything for a push button start or fixing the key or anything like that. So yeah, gotta love how this car sounds. I love it. It sounds so good. Well, all right, we'll see you guys at the Autocross event.
Autocross day. We are out here and it's getting a little sunny, a little hot, but not too bad. I am running in the first heat of the day. I'm about the 5th car to go on course. The course is different today. It'll be interesting to see how it is, but there's a couple nice straightaways we should be able to get up to speed. Couple tight corners, which will be challenging. So overall, it should be a fun day.
And
myself. I got a pretty good time, 38.8. I think I can maybe pick up a little bit going to the finish, so we'll see if I can bring it down or at least replicate close to that.
all right, Arthur Wagner.
one, I'm hoping to come down out of the 38s or at least lower. But I'm just gonna push it. The car's good. I feel good in the car. Of course, it's fun. Let's go. Alright, we just wrapped up run 3. Run 3. I am stuck in the 38.8s, 38.9. So I'm just gonna try to keep pushing. Hopefully can pinch some tenths of seconds down to get out of that little hump area I'm stuck in right now. Gonna push going into the sweeper and squeeze the brakes at the last minute. We'll see how it goes.
And he trips the lights with a 46.233.
Shaved off 0.2 of a second, which is something, but I'm still trying to push harder. The good news is that I feel really confident today. Like, everything's coming together. Everything that I've learned is just all clicking and lining up, and the car feels good. I feel good, and I'm just having more fun than ever. Last run, run 5. Here we go.
22.50.
Starting heat number 2, so I'm running up. This is my first run. Ashley did amazing in first heat, so I'm not gonna tell you her time. You gotta watch to the end of the video, but just she did really great. She did a really good time, which is actually in the top 10 right now after first heat, so really proud of her. So my runs are coming up now.
Steve Reiner taking his rerun from his
sir. 37.1. All right. Good starting place, but the car right before me ran a 36.0 with some cones, so. Alright, run number 2 is done. We're starting run number 3. So the second run ran a 36.8, which had put me up in second, but another car came and ran a really good time to bump me down to third. The car in first right now is running in the 34, so I don't think can catch that car, just catch that GT 350R. So right now we're basically battling to get up into second. Didn't record any data. That kind of sucks.
Right. 782, man.
Nice. .7, so still in third place. So only picked up a 10th. Alright, started run number 4, still sitting in third place in class. It's 17 people in my class, so this is the largest that we ever had, which is pretty awesome. So fourth run's coming up. Come on, 35.
Come on, baby.
Roll the dice, roll the dice.
What you got for me?
37.
37?
37.3.
What? Ah, come on. Alright, starting runs number 5. So as you saw, run number 4, even though I thought it felt smoother and faster, it slowed down and slowed down to a 37. So I think I need to just go out and just drive and be aggressive like normal. This course is not suited for being aggressive. It looks like there's not any places where I can kind of get slidey side to side. So 5th run's coming up. See if we can get improved on that 36.8. Tried my best. There you go. Yeah. So that was the fastest run. So 36.666, the number of the beast. So, fastest run, but kind of overcooked that finish still. But what can you do? All right, another autocross is in the books. Okay, so we ran with TSAC, so both of us representing apparently. So Tidewater Sports Car Club. the event went really well. We'll get into the results for Ashley. She won her class, came in first place in ladies with I think the closest margin so far. So it was .027, so super close. And then the other person was 0.3 seconds. So all three of the ladies were really close. So it's really good to see that kind of close competition. For my class, I came in third out of, I think there were 17 people running in my class. So my class is just like ladies class. It's of multiple classes all combined together based on packs. So my class had Cam class, XS class, and a couple others that are all just based on their packs time, with Cam class pretty much ruling the top of that class. So I think the top 5 or 6 cars were all Cam cars. So yeah, I finished third behind a new Camaro and a GT350R. The cars below me were Corvettes. If you look at their raw time, they were actually faster than me, but because of it being a PAX class, I was able to get ahead just barely. So one thing that I was thinking about, because I got several questions at the event and surprises by people, like when I was telling them about the car, that how it's still just a solid axle rear car, it's still a stock front K member. So if you want to see me maybe do a little video on my thoughts of why my car is able to actually compete with these Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros that are all independent rear suspension, much higher horsepower than my car, leave a comment below and I'll get something together for that. It is quite impressive that it's able to keep up with these newer cars and even beat some of them.
Yeah, it was a good race day.
Yep. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And we will see you guys at the next Autocross. Later.